Hey everyone, it's Linda. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about me. Not all of you know who I am, so let's talk a little bit about me, which doesn't make me very comfy, but here we are. So I'm Linda Johnson. I live very close to Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and I am a quilter. I have been 22 years. I've also been long arm quilting since 2017, but I'm not very good at that, but I do enough that gets my quilts done, and that's all that matters. My inspiration to learn to quilt was actually my mother-in-law, who chose not to teach me how to, which was probably a good thing in the end. I went looking for a beginner quilting class, made my first top, which was horrible and long story, and the rest is history. I am a proud member of the Modern Quilt Guild. Modern quilting just really talks to me, which is really funny because the blocks behind me are clearly not modern, but maybe with a modern twist a little bit. I am definitely a modern quilter. I will make it to QuiltCon eventually. I am currently rebranding my business to the Coffee First Quilt Crew. I am teaching beginner and intermediate quilters, and I am happy to help new quilters on their journey and help intermediate quilters build their skill set. So check that out. The links are all below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Talk soon. Bye.